In this video, you'll learn how to find your Microsoft Word product key in just a few minutes, so you can activate your software or recover your license without any stress. First, understand that Microsoft Word product keys aren't always visible directly in the app. You'll typically find them in your Microsoft account, original purchase email, or on the physical packaging if you bought a retail version. Next, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with the email address you used when purchasing Word. Click on Services and Subscriptions to find a list of all the Microsoft products linked to your account. Now, find your Microsoft Word or Office subscription in the list. Click on it to view the details. If your product was purchased through Microsoft directly, the product key may be displayed in this section. After that, if you bought Word through a retailer like Amazon, check your purchase confirmation email. The product key is usually included in the email or in your retailer's account under your order details and history. Once you have your product key, open Microsoft Word and go to File, then Account. Click Change Product Key or Activate Product, paste your key, and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your software. And that's it. You now know how to find your Microsoft Word product key and activate your software successfully.